The equation of a line could also be determined using 2 points. Now, considering points A and B here, we can use this form. This form is also known as the 2-point form. Simply plug in here all the values, and it's up to you which is your second point and your first point. But alternatively, this is actually, or this expression is also known as your slope. In short, if you have some problems with dealing with these rational expressions, simply solve for the slope first. So let's start with the slope here. The slope is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Now, let's try to pick A as our first point and B as our second point. But of course, if you're going to interchange them, you will have the same result as long as y sub 2 and x sub 2 should start first. So you have y sub 2 is 2 minus your y sub 1, which is negative 5. Please enclose it in parentheses so that you are going to include it in a double negative property. At the bottom, you will also have 2 minus another double negative property of negative 1. In short, your slope here is 2 plus 5 over 2 plus 1. Your slope is 7/3. This is what we're going to use here. Again, we picked y sub 1 earlier as negative 5. And please also enclose it parentheses, as we're going to use now this form is equal to 7/3 times x minus your x sub 1, which is negative 1 as well. You will have here y plus 5 is equal to 7/3 times x plus 1. To remove your denominator 3 here, you can multiply this entire expression by 3. So that to remove that, and you only have here integral values. But don't forget to do the same thing on the other side to retain equality. Hence, you will have 3y plus 15 is equal to, then you multiply that here, you will have 7x plus 7. Now, on general form, moving all these terms on the other side, you will have negative 7x plus 3y plus 15, and you have minus 7 here, which will give you a general form of minus 7x plus 3y plus 8 equal to 0. This is general form of the given points. Now, you could also verify using any of the 2 points whether your form is correct or not. Substitute only the points intended. So using point A, you will have negative 7, your x is negative 1, plus you will have here 3 times negative 5, you will have plus 8 must be equal to 0. This is positive 7, that's minus 15, plus 8, question mark still because we are checking 0. This is 0,